you're new to the channel, thanks for coming. If you're already a subscriber, thanks again. Love you all. Appreciate you very much. So if you think this video or any of my other videos might be helpful for you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button over here. And then don't forget to hit the notification so you'll know that when the newest videos are coming out. So what we're going to be covering here in this video is cleaning chrome. Now, you'll get some people that'll tell you all these different ways to clean chrome and these different things you can use, can't use. I went to Dollar General, which I do anytime I need new cleaner for the bike. And I bought a simple can of spray glass cleaner, foaming glass cleaner, for like $2. And bought a pack of little Brillo pads. And so I'm going to show you here how easy it is to clean your chrome, and that's all you need to clean it. You don't need any expensive stuff. So let's get on to that. Alright, now before we get started on this though, I want to put a disclaimer out there. If you have fake chrome, the metal Brillo will scrape it all to pieces. This only will work if you have real chrome. So don't try it on that plastic crap you buy at Walmart that says it's chrome. Don't try anything that might be fake chrome. This only works on real chrome. And this does not work on paint. If you do this on paint, it will scratch the crap out of your paint. So do not come back to me and say, oh, I tried your cleaning method and it scratched my whatever to pieces. You're not supposed to use it on the paint. It scratched my Walmart hubcaps all to crap. It only works on real chrome. Real chrome on metal. So, now that I've covered that, let's get on to it. Alright, so I'm not sure how well we're going to be able to see it, but I'm going to put my watch right here. I'm going to start the stopwatch. We're going to let that go. So, just got some simple spray away foaming glass cleaner. Got it at Dollar General. It's about $2 a bottle. We're going to let that sit on here for just a minute. Then I got my aluminum Brillo that I also got at Dollar General. And I'm going to show you this is really all you need to clean it off. And I got a little bowl of water here to rinse out the Brillo. And then microfiber cloth to wipe everything off when it's ready. So I've got the picture of what it looked like before we sprayed it. Now we're going to get this clean and we'll have a comparison at the end. Now I had a buddy. He was like, aren't you worried about scratching your chrome with that little Brillo? I said, no. Chrome's actually a pretty hard metal. And it's one of the reasons why it takes the chemicals it does to chrome plate stuff is because it's a very hard metal. And so we're just going to sit here and just scrub. And I'm not putting a whole lot of pressure. I mean, 2 fingers, that's all I need to do it. I'm no strong man, so I'm not putting like 100 pounds of pressure with 2 fingers. And I'm sure there may be a couple users that are going to be up in arms because, oh my goodness, I let my Harley rust. Well, you're going to see it's not like it makes a huge difference. Because it's a little bit of work, and I mean really a little bit of work, and there we are. Good as new. Now, you get some people that argue, oh no, you need this $15 chrome cleaner that you get from some dealer somewhere doing something. You don't. As you can see, that's clean. Now, let's do that comparison. All right, now to close, I want to remind you that after watching this video, don't go try to clean your paint this way. Don't go try to clean your $20 Walmart hubcaps this way. It will tear them to pieces. This is to only be used on actual chrome dipped products, such as the exhaust on my Harley, other metal chrome parts on your motorcycle. You try this on plastic, you try this on fake chrome, you try this on your paint, it will tear it up. So I'm going to reiterate one more time. Do not use this on paint or fake chrome. You people that, if there's anybody watching this that's one of those people that likes to go to AutoZone and buy that stick-on chrome crap, don't do this to it. It will tear it to pieces. It only works on real chrome. So that's all I got to say on that. Now that we've seen that it works on real chrome. All right, so now we've cleaned the pipe. I've shown you the before and after. And I had the watch there to show that I didn't do any stoppage. I didn't do any magic tricks. All I did was spray with foam and glass cleaner, lightly rub it with a Brillo, and kept going over it until I didn't see any of the rust spots left. Then wiped it off with a microfiber. That's it. That's all there was. No magic. How about that? So, if you found that helpful, please check out any of my other videos that you might find helpful. There'll be more to come. Don't forget, click the subscribe button over here. And don't forget to click that notifications if you want to see the next videos coming out. Thank you. God bless. Have a great day.